Hello everyone, you can see here that we have 4 cell culvert. For each of the cell we have 3 by 3 dimension, 3 meters is the height and 3 meters is the width. Moreover, the total length is maintained at 15 meters. You may see here that the iron benders are placing the reinforcement bars for the base of this culvert. We have used Y12 and Y16 mm bars. The total area is 13.5 by 15 meters. And each of the cell is having the dimension of 3 meter by 3 meter. So all these reinforcement bars have been placed after we had done the concrete blending, and now we shall pour concrete for the construction of base. Here you can see that we have started pouring concrete into the base with the help of the excavator. Thickness of the base is maintained at 30 centimeters. So when you are doing the construction and you are finding difficulty in pouring or casting of concrete, you may either use excavator or the payloader's bucket. So both these machines can help you greatly whenever you have to cast concrete and you are encountering the problem of this casting. You can see you can stretch the bucket of the machine and pour concrete easily. You may also see that while we were placing the reinforcement bars of the base, reinforcement bars had also been erected for the walls of this culvert. Now we shall also do the overlapping of reinforcement bars in order to increase the height. Overlapping of 50 to 60 centimeters or 0.5 to 0.6 meter can be done. Now you may see here that we are pouring concrete into the walls. With the help of excavator bucket, we are again pouring concrete. After the construction of all these walls, you may see that the reinforcement bars had been placed for the decking. For the decking, again we are using Y12 and Y16 mm bars. For the bottom mat, we have used Y12 as the main bars while Y10 as the runners. For the top mat, we had used Y16 as main bars and Y12 as the runners. As usual, we had to use the horse bench in order to keep space between the bottom mat and the top mat. Concrete spacers had also been used. They were placed at the bottom of our bottom mat. Now you can see that we have started pouring concrete into the decking. The total concrete volume for the decking was 60.75 cubic meters. The thickness of decking was 30 centimeters or 0.3 meters. You may also see that we had to use the concrete vibrator in order to avoid the honeycombing. You may see that the concrete was poured all around into the decking. While we are pouring concrete, we have to make sure that we follow the proper levels. Guys, if you have any questions or comments, you can let me know. You may write in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also share it with your friends. Let me add here that for the construction of head wall, we shall use the total height of 1 meter. We are going to have a filling of approximately 500 millimeters or 0.5 meters on top of this culvert. This is the reason why we shall keep a projection of 50 cm on top of this culvert. Guys, thank you so much once again. Goodbye.